Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. This time we're headed on a museum tour. We're going to the McLean County Museum of History in Bloomington, Illinois. The museum is located in the historic 1903 McLean County Courthouse. The museum traces its roots back to 1892, the year the McLean County Historical Society was founded. It's a nationally accredited award-winning museum with several permanent exhibit galleries and other rotating galleries. This museum is dedicated to telling the rich story of McLean County through programs which serve people of all ages. The first exhibit we'll explore is called Working for a Living. From the arrival of the first settlers in the 1820s to the Bloomington area to the fast-paced, technology-driven 1990s, we'll see how jobs have transformed and the challenges and choices workers faced changed as new technologies developed. Let's explore this experience of people at work. We now enter an exhibit called Making a Home. Who are the people who have made McLean County their home? Where did they come from, and how'd they get here? What did they experience after they arrived? These questions and more are answered as we walk through this exhibit. From the arrival of Native people to the immigration of Asian Indians and Latinos in the late 20th century, this exhibit explores the experiences of individuals and families who came from all over the world to make McLean County their home.
Who are the people that made McLean County their home? Where did they come from? And how did they get here? What did they experience after they arrived? How have they changed our community? The stories told here reveal the challenges faced by the diverse people who made McLean County their home. These are stories of determination, hard choices, of the ways people maintained traditions or invented new ones, and of how their lives and our communities changed through time. Approximately 800 years ago, in the southern part of what we now call McLean County, there was a settlement of about 60 to 90 people. They were part of the culture now referred to as the Mississippian tradition. The Kickapoo, formerly the Michigan and Ohio region, resided in the McLean County area for 100 years. The Kickapoo were forced out to Kansas, Oklahoma, and Mexico, where they reside today.
My name is Thomas Oracle.
Hester Brown,
Henry Webb.
Mary Holloway O'Neill, and I have been Lars. I was perhaps been out. I think of the name John.
I was born in South Carolina. I came to Kentucky with my brother and my father.
Irelandsport, Ireland. During the famine, I came to Bloomington from Dalhousie. I was 9 when we moved to Pennsylvania, western frontier.
I came here on horseback with my brother, Willie, Stephen, and 2 horse carriage from the narrow road right to the road.
Multiple seasons, river steamers, and a wagon. Trust me, you should never cross the big wall. I took 4 trains and 2 machines. I would sit on the sea ships for weeks. Then we took the train to Bloomington. But then it would see the landscape of our new country. I came with my 9 children. And took us all our possessions were in one bag. Not it. Those certificates, letters of reference, vaccination cards.
The only thing I was looking for. I had left my mind in
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's the water.
look around the area with today in McLean County. So I finally found a spot to shoot. I didn't stay a lot, but
We were one of the early encouraged families here. My first Christmas was in 1853. All that the reading on our home, and I have to go. After I was married, I didn't touch it.
I had a lot of jobs around my house. Fire washer, day man, they did.
Today is something less than these are days. Jerry. Two of my boys made 2 livings here. One was alderman of the city of Bloomington, one is a federal businessman. 2 of my boys studied much too.
Married a daughter of another settler, and we raised 12 children.
I named Stephen Sonia. Just being a Geneva. I told my children speech. And my children, proud of them. I love getting friends.
Since the time that people first occupied McLean County, conflict has been a part of its history. Discrimination, inequality, and denial of rights caused tension that sometimes resulted in violence among residents, especially as the population and the diversity of the community grew. The power to control the outcome of these conflicts was most often held by the majority, but sometimes who had the power changed. In this exhibit, we'll explore stories presented to learn about major and minor conflicts that have shaped the social fabric of McLean County. As we go through the exhibit, ask yourself, who is the majority? What opportunities, if any, did minority groups have to affect change? What happened when the minority decided to make a stand, defy the norms, or take matters into their own hands? Who in our community wielded the greatest power over time, and why? Abraham Lincoln is one of the major figures in Illinois history, as well as a major figure in McLean County history. This exhibit examines Lincoln's work as an attorney in McLean County and on the Illinois 8th Judicial Court. It takes a look at his pivotal role in the anti-slavery movement and the formation of the new Republican Party in Illinois. And it also explores the lasting connections Lincoln made with the people of this community. From the first settlers in the 1820s to the modern family of today, this permanent exhibit tells the story of McLean County farmers. In it, we'll see the tools and techniques they used, the crops and livestock they raised, and the difficult choices they made in order to be productive and profitable producers. We now head upstairs to take a look at what one of the courtrooms would look like when this building was originally used as a courthouse in the late 1890s. I hope you've enjoyed your walking tour of the McLean County Courthouse History Museum. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next tour. Take care. Bye.